Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorial. Let me show you how to insert table in a Google Docs. To do that, all you need to do is to go over here that says insert and table, and over here draw how big table you want to add. For example, like this. And now now you can just type inside the table as usual, and over here you can move the elements. If you hover over the column like this, you can move columns. And you can move the rows over here and move it, or add another row below, or right click it and click insert column to the left or column to the right. Right click or add distribute rows, distribute columns, and so on and so on. And if you click table properties, you can see over here some table properties that you can play with to make some alignments and colors and so on. And this is it practically. And if you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.